Hi, baby. How are you doing, sweetheart? You just get done with the bath? Are you so excited? Who's that, Daddy? Say hi, Daddy. Look at that crazy hair. That's looking pretty good. Oops. Yeah. Crazy, baby. Yeah. Whoa, look at those skills. You're like a little gymnast. Whoa, yeah. Are you dancing? Wow. So cute. We love you, Amy.
Sorry.
We love you, Amy. Yeah, little girl. Wow, so much energy for bedtime. It's bedtime now. Say night-night. 'Cause I'm going to go to sleep, right? Say, yes, Mommy. This is the look of a tired baby. Not. Not. Look at that chunko. Look at that tummy. Look at that tummy. Look at that tummy. So cute. Okay. Say bye-bye, baby. Oh, that was good enough. Bye-bye, Annie.